Are you looking for the best Corsair K70 RGB TKL keyboard? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Corsair K70 RGB TKL keyboard on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Corsair K70 PRO TKL. The Corsair K70 RGB TKL and Corsair K70 PRO TKL are 10 keyless gaming keyboards from the same lineup, offering similar gaming performance. The main difference is that the K70 RGB TKL uses conventional mechanical switches, while the K70 PRO TKL features Hall effect switches, enabling per key actuation and reset point adjustments. There are also some minor design distinctions. The K70 RGB TKL includes a full set of dedicated media keys and a volume roller but lacks a wrist rest, whereas the K70 PRO TKL primarily uses a button and rotary dial for media control and comes with a wrist rest. Number 2. Corsair K70 RGB PRO. The Corsair K70 RGB TKL and the Corsair K70 RGB PRO are both wired, mechanical gaming keyboards that perform very similarly with some slight differences. The RGB TKL is a smaller form factor, so it doesn't have a numpad. Also, its latency is somewhat lower than the RGB PRO. On the other hand, the RGB PRO allows you to program macros directly on board without using the software, and it includes a wrist rest. Both keyboards have a tournament switch to create a distraction-free gaming experience, and they also have an 8000 Hz maximum polling rate. Number 3. Corsair K70 PRO Mini Wireless. The Corsair K70 PRO Mini Wireless is the compact, 60% wireless upgrade of the K70 RGB TKL. The K70 PRO Mini Wireless is wireless, while the K70 RGB TKL is wired only. The K70 PRO Mini Wireless also has a hot swappable printed circuit board, so you can change the stock switches without having to solder. As a result of the downsizing, however, the K70 PRO Mini Wireless lacks the extra hardware features, like dedicated media keys and the volume wheel found on the K70 RGB TKL. Number 4. Corsair K70 RGB MK.2. The Corsair K70 RGB TKL and the Corsair K70 RGB MK.2 are fantastic gaming keyboards with similar features. The MK.2 is full-sized and has a wrist rest, which the TKL version doesn't have. The full-sized is available in more switch types, while the TKL is only available with linear switches, so if you prefer tactile switches, the full-sized model would be a better choice. However, the TKL keyboard feels better built because it has PBT keycaps instead of ABS. Number 5. Corsair K100 RGB. The Corsair K100 RGB and the Corsair K70 RGB TKL are both fantastic for gaming. The K100 is bigger because it's full size, has a numpad and wrist rest, and there are also dedicated macro keys on the left side, which the K70 doesn't have. The K100 also has a USB pass-through, so you can connect your peripherals directly to the keyboard, and it has better typing quality because the Cherry MX speed switches on our unit of the K70 feel a bit more sensitive than those on the K100. Overall, they're very similar in performance, so choosing one over the other comes down to size preference.